welcome to this Ivanti video where I'm going to show you how to use the Software Insights component in Ivanti Cloud to save your organization some money by identifying opportunities to reclaim software licenses from your estate. Having software installed that isn't being used can be a waste of resources, an unnecessary security risk, and can also be a waste of money. If you're not using it, why have you got it installed? There may be good reasons, but people ought to be asked to justify this position. If it's not needed, maybe reallocate it, uninstall it and stop paying maintenance on it, or whatever, but don't just ignore it. We're going to use Software Insights to look for licensed software that is installed on your estate but not being used. Then we can decide if it's safe to uninstall it. Under Software in the menu bar, click Software Insights. Then on the Software Insights Home dashboard, click the Licensable Software tile. The Licensable Software dashboard provides information about the software that is installed on your estate that requires a license. There are a number of tiles, but the one that we are going to use is at the top right, Reclamation Opportunities. Click this tile to see the Reclamation Opportunities data grid. This data grid lists all the software that has not been used recently and categorizes them with a reclamation chance of high, medium, or low. Low indicates that the software has not been used for between 30 and 60 days. Medium, between 60 and 90 days, and high is software that has not been used for over 90 days. You can now review these software titles to determine if you can uninstall software that isn't being used. Before you get too carried away on installing software, there's one more column to be aware of, which my example data demonstrates well. The last scanned column shows the last date that the device was scanned. You want to make sure that this date is recent. If the device has not been scanned for 6 months, you need to investigate the reason for that first. When you've identified a software title that you think can be uninstalled, you can click the entry in the display name column to show the device details page for the device that the unused software is installed on. This gives you much more information about the device, including the list of all licensable software that is installed on it. You can return to the Reclamation Opportunities data grid by clicking the icon to the left of the device details page header. I hope you found this video useful and that you can find some opportunities to uninstall unused software and then reclaim some licenses. If you did find it useful, please give it the thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this about all of our products.